Hi guys, so today I'm going to make a microwave cup scramble of egg. So for the ingredients, obviously you're going to have a cup. A larger size mug would be awesome. For seasoning, I'm going to do Lowry's, which is a staple in my house. Love it so much. And then it's 2 eggs, some tomato, pepper, but you can also do jalapenos if you want. We'll do some milk, the grease to do in the mug so it doesn't stick, with some cheese. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up some of the pepper. It recommends that you do 2 teaspoons of it. I'm gonna do tablespoons though. And then we'll do some tomatoes as well. Smaller pieces, because that way it won't be like a huge ginormous chunk that you get in your mouth when you bite into it. So we're going to put 2 eggs. You'll do 2 tablespoons of milk. And then the peppers. And then you'll whisk it all up. And then we'll grab our cheese. And you'll want to do 2 tablespoons of that as well. And I might just throw in a little extra because we are cheese lovers in my house. And then you'll stir that up. And then you'll grease the inside of the mug. And we'll put some Lowry's in there for some flavor. And then pour that all in the mug. And then we're just going to take this and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at first. Alright, so we'll take it out, we'll stir it, see how it's foaming up and cooking just a little bit. So then we're going to put it back in there and let it cook for another minute. Alright, then we take it out and it is cooked. Look at that. So you'll notice that the cheese is at the bottom.